now we don't care about the year. Gets us our month followed by day. Okay, great. And if we scroll up, we can remove this other print, and then we have our friends and our birthdays. So we're going to use a for loop to check if it's any of our friends' birthdays, and then we want to print which friend it is so that we can send them a happy birthday text or call, or Discord message, or anything really. So we'll use a for loop and say for friend and friends, and we can use a counter again to figure out which friend we're talking about. And the nice thing about Visual Studio Code is that they will underline when you have an error, which is a little